If you're a gamer with a capital G looking to get into the fast-paced and lucrative world of zero-viewer streaming, well, you should absolutely have your eyes set on the upcoming 500 Hz QD OLED monitors. And today I set my hands on the MSI MAG 272QP QD OLED X50. Wow, could they name it any better? I don't think so. But let's turn those hype meters to 11 because this new monitor is bringing a ton of improvements that me and others have been waiting for. Now, I do want to let you guys know that my trip was sponsored by MSI to bring me out and take a look at all their new monitors. But of course, that is not going to be changing my opinion on the actual monitors themselves. Thank you to MSI. Let's get to it. First of all, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, 500 Hz QD OLED is an absolute treat to behold. Not only will this result in just 2 milliseconds of total system latency, which is pretty much imperceptibly low at this point, but most importantly, the motion performance is the best I've ever seen out of any monitor or display. Yes, that even includes the 480 Hz OLEDs from LG. This new 500 Hz QD OLED panel is just better in every single way. Sure, 20 Hz isn't much of an improvement, but first of all, I mean, take a look at how clear it is in motion. When you compare this to the example image, we have now reached a point where 500 Hz OLED looks almost perfect in motion, and if you play fast-paced games, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. But perhaps even more importantly is you no longer have to sacrifice image quality to get this level of motion performance. Yes, this is a 27-inch 1440p monitor, so it's not 4K. However, running 4K at 500 Hz would be just basically impossible on today's hardware, which is why 1440p may be a better choice for any gamers looking to go faster than fast. But I digress. Unlike WOLED options from LG, which unfortunately sacrifice clarity due to the matte coating, yuck, as well as color thanks to the white subpixel, which falls short of QD OLED in HDR color performance, this new MSI MAG 272QP uses a glossy coating for the best possible image clarity and pop that you can get off the screen. And of course, QD OLED using just a red, green, and blue subpixel arrangement has no washing out of color in HDR. So yeah, you're going to get better clarity, better perceived contrast, possibly in a dark room, as well as better color than these 480 Hz WOLED options. In my opinion, this makes the new 500 Hz QD OLED from MSI the go-to recommendation from me, and as soon as it's available, trust me, I will have affiliate links to it in the description below, and make sure you're subscribed if you haven't done so already, as I will be releasing a full review on it, hopefully very shortly, as well as bringing you a ton more Computex coverage. But again, I digress because it's not over. There are a ton of other improvements that come with MSI's new monitors, and there's one I think you fellas will be particularly interested in, and that's the brightness. That's right, I hope you're wearing your brown pants because you might just shit yourself after I dump this load of information on you. These new QD OLEDs coming out from MSI are now going to be achieving the legendary HDR 500 True Black certification. Now, this is important because all previous QD OLED and WOLEDs were only able to achieve the 400 True Black certification, and in order to achieve the 500 certification, OLED monitors must achieve not only a perfect or near perfect black level, but they must also achieve 300 nits of brightness in a full screen window, which is very impressive and important for daytime usage, and they must get 600 nits in a 8% center patch plus 2% APL background test, which would signify that these new monitors should be jumping from roughly somewhere around 500 nits in a 10% window to over 600 nits. We could be talking about roughly a 30% increase in brightness on these new QD OLED monitors, which desperately was needed, and honestly, that's going to lead to a far better HDR experience than any other OLED monitor on the market today. Now, this new OLED monitor does also come with a typical 3-year warranty, as well as expected DisplayPort 2.1 connection, and it does support a ton of other improvements to the firmware itself, but there's one last big update I want to bring to you guys that MSI has been working on, and that's the Peak 1000 HDR mode. It's been further improved, and it now has a new setting called EOTF Boost. Now, I will have to test it further to see how accurate it is, but at first glance, it seems to have perhaps fix the HDR Peak 1000 mode, as in many instances, when I swapped between the two, it was noticeably brighter than the Peak 1000 mode, so you may now be able to enjoy the benefits of having up to 1000 nits of brightness without having the massive reduction in brightness in other areas, which would be huge. What I'm telling you is Smash your piggy banks and get those wallets ready, because this bad boy is going to be a huge improvement over previous 360Hz and 240Hz options, and I can't wait to get my hands on one, hopefully very soon, to bring you guys a full review.